Hello, a very good afternoon to all of you all. Myself, Rishali. I am the UK counselor as well as the Ireland counselor. So today we are going to speak about education system in UK, why a student should study, pick up UK as a destination. First of all, I would like to introduce about our company. I work for Advise International. It's India's #1 leading overseas education consultancy, and we are into this field past 30 years. Okay, and we have 25 branches pan India. So basically, when we talk about UK, universities in UK are constantly ranked among the best internationally. Study in UK for Indian students is globally valued and recognized. Students who work in UK meet individuals from various nationalities and exchange their multicultural background. UK universities are regularly monitored to ensure that they uphold the high standards of learning, teaching and research set by the government. The body who is responsible for maintaining these high standards is the Quality Assurance Agency for Higher Education. Students who wish to study in the UK from India, students who look to study in UK from India for UG and PG courses, they are met with shorter course duration when you compare with other countries like USA, Australia, New Zealand. Undergraduate programs in UK for 3 years, while postgraduate programs in UK are for 1 year. The colleges and the universities give students the freedom to be more creative and develop the skill set. They give them a lot of confidence through their initiative ideas and study methodology. Students receive various chances to be taught by the world's leading academics and experts. Okay, whenever you end up in the world, if you have a degree from a UK, it is very much recognized by the employers from world class universities. Okay, to the vibrant multicultural atmosphere. There are plenty of students why a student should study in UK. It is the rich history in education. It is the rich history in the education. It is the reason for its popularity, and there are some more reasons why a student should consider UK as the destination, because ranking. The universities in the UK are highly ranked universities in the world. In addition to be highly ranked, UK universities are constantly performing very well in these rankings. They are most research-based universities. The UK is responsible for 5% of the world's research. Most of the frequently cited research papers come from the researchers in the UK. According to the data which has been collected by the UK researchers, produce around 14% of the world's most frequently cited papers. As far as flexibility is concerned, yes, every student gets an opportunity to interact with the universities. Every university, they have a career advisors who are there to help, support and guide the students in every method. Universities in the UK are very much helpful. They provide their students with lot of flexibility in terms of choice of the programs. They also allow the students for blend academic as well as vocational courses as they are pleased. They also have a student development. Like programs in the UK are very well designed and planned. Okay, and they bring out of the to bring out of the best of their students. The system is known as to encourage the creativity and develop multiple skills, build the confidence in the students and enable students to think critically. In addition, they also help the students from useful connections that can advise their future career. When we talk about the faculties, yes, they are most of the faculty at every university in the UK are very much highly qualified in the best minds in their field. These leading academics and experts provide the than other countries, so you'll be able to move on what next you want to do further. As far as cost is concerned, yes, when as a result the program being shorter, as I mentioned previously, it's a 1 year master, so acquiring the degree from a UK university is very much less expensive than getting into the degree with other countries. They also have a work option. When you complete your master's degree in UK, you are eligible to stay back and work in UK for 2 complete years. Extension has been given for every international student. Okay, as far as recognizations are concerned, yes, students do enroll at the UK university. They can stay back for 2 years, and they have to get work related to their field, which is £20,000 further on if they wish to stay back. The degrees in the UK are not only accepted in the world, but they are very much accepted with highly valued. Well, with a degree from a UK university, your career prospects are instantly been improved. They have a multicultural society, means the UK is a multicultural society in the trust sense, as people from various religion and ethnicities are called the country home. It's a rich diversity of culture, language and faith. Couple of the various array of excellent transportation, world famous music festivals and international sporting events are also been held in the UK. Okay, as far as UCAS is concerned, to study in UK, any student who is planning to go for undergrad program, they have to do the procedure through UCAS. It's UCAS provides the students to access variety of courses. There are over 38,000 programs across the globe, and UCAS has greatly simplified the application process for the students, can easily allow the steps to provide for the online application, which means the students can apply to 5 universities at one go. UCAS have two deadlines every year, and UCAS universities have only one intake in a year, which is September. As far as quality is concerned, the quality of education in UK universities are very much highly, because each university is subject to regular inspections by the quality agency. This means that every university has been, they need to ensure that the high standard of teaching, learning and research set by the government are being maintained. When we talk about the work permit, yes, after graduating the program from UK university, it is possible for a student to get a work permit. In order to opt a work permit, the student should need a job offer at least £28,000 per annum. When we talk about the financial support, UK universities have various UK universities have various scholarships which are available for the international students on masters level, PhD levels, which can help the students support and to for their study as well as their living expenses. When we talk about the health benefit, yes, UK universities does have an benefit where students can enroll at the university in the UK, and they are very much eligible for the healthcare. National health surcharge, NHS, it is provide for every medical treatment to the students as well as their spouses, as well as the dependent children. If anybody is taking, then the students can enroll in the full-time program. So some universities do offer special discounts also for the international students. So whenever student plans, you should do the procedure at least 1 year in advance. Like they have two intakes in a year, January and September. So if you all are planning for January intake, then this is the right time for you all to do the process. If you all are planning for September intake, also 1 year in advance. The reason being, you get enough time in your hand, you know, to go ahead with, because to receive the offer letter from the university will take approximately, usually takes 4 to 6 weeks of time, and then you get a conditional offer letter. So to go ahead with further process on the application, student needs to prepare various documents. Firstly, you need to make a detailed CV. Okay, statement of purpose, it's a self introduction about yourself, about the family background, why you want to do this course, why UK. So this has to be prepared by your own. You know, you can't copy paste or anything, because the university people come to know it's about yourself. Because see, when we are sending the applications to the university, you are not in front of the university, so this plays a very important role for the university. Thirdly, we need two reference letters, which has to be on the college letterhead of two different people. You can get it either from principal, vice principal, HOD, any subject teachers, those who know you very well. It's praising about yourself as a student, but please place up to the mark, not beyond that. Then as far as all academic mark sheets are required for student, if you are UG student, then 10th and 12th. If you are going to apply for PG, then obviously all your bachelor's each year mark sheets are required, degree certificate, as well as passport is required. Passport copy is a must for any international student. Yes, as far as IELTS is concerned, it is not compulsory for all the international students to give IELTS. Okay, 70, if a student has 75%, then universities in UK does give waiver, but there are some universities, example Manchester, Warwick, if you wish to apply for Edinburgh, they do not waive IELTS. So that is very, very important. So you need to decide upon when you decide on any university, you need to decide that which course you wish to opt for, how much is your parents' budget, and what location you are looking forward for. So we at Advise are there to help you, support you, guide you in everything. Okay, anything is required, right? Even if you are not aware that which is the right course, we can suggest you. From that level, advice counselors does help the students right from shortlisting of the universities, documentation, getting the offer letters in time for your accommodation, visas, education loan. Everything is taken care step by step. So you do not need to worry and anything. We are there to help you with everything. Even scholarships are possible if your marks are really good. Yes, it is possible, but we need to apply on time. It's purely based on your academic, and your statement of purpose does plays a very important role for scholarship. Universities offer scholarships from 1,000 to 20,000, 10,000 pounds per annum, and we had students who have also got full funding, government funding scholarship as well for the international students. That is one thing. As far as accommodations are concerned, every university offers accommodation which are on campus and off campus. If you are planning for university accommodation, you need to ensure that you apply on time. As far as private accommodations are there, any who's a matured students are really very much important, that they can go for private accommodation where 3 people, 4 people are sharing a room, so that cost comparison wise goes bit less expensive. And yes, very important, I forgot to mention that every international student is allowed to work 20 hours a week on a student visa. When we talk about this part-time job, we can't expect a high funded job. It's like working in college library, McDonald's, supermarket, call center. These are there. Total 180 credits are required to complete a master's degree in UK. So it is just that if you have any help or anything is required, people are there to help you and guide you. Every university, they have career advisors where the fairs are conducted. They have career cell who helps the students basically how to prepare resume, which companies come in the university campus, what type of job you can expect. It is not difficult, but yes, efforts are very much important. Okay, studying also, when you are going for education, not only study, but yes, you can take participate in various other activities what they have in the university. And it's overall a mixed culture. They don't have a huge crowd how we have in India in a class. It's more about students from various nationalities, self study, group discussions, assignments, project works have been given. So that's how it is. And it's a very nice place. I must say UK is the best destination for any students because they have variety of courses. Any course you can go for, like management is there, law is there, pharmacy, biotechnology, engineering, aerospace engineering, sports. Manchester is very well known for a sports city. Manchester, Liverpool, you must have heard about. So that is really very nice. So I would say that it's a dream place. Anyone wishes to go should definitely go, and this gives a gateway for Europe as well. You can visit various other countries. The UK degree is approachable and well recognized all across the globe. So it's basically a return on investment, I would say. because the student gets complete 2 years. There are universities in UK who gives an internship options as well. So if you go with 1 year course, second year is an internship plus 2 years of stay back is a very long time for any student to look for a job. So it's not difficult, but yes, efforts are needed everywhere. When we talk about the rankings of the universities have various rankings such as Times Online, Guardian's ranking, TEF Gold ranking is there, QS rankings are there. But I, as a counselor, would really appreciate that a student needs to think on three criteria. One, that you need to understand how much are your marks. Secondly, the location of the university, because that is very much important. And thirdly, you meet the entry requirement. And fourthly, what is your parents' budget. These are the four parameters what a student needs to really understand, and then you can choose on to apply to minimum 5 to 6 best universities where you should offer. So apart from this, we also help for uh, uh, accommodation, scholarship application, visa process. Visa is very simple, straightforward, easy to go when we talk about a UK visa, because it comes just in 15 to 18 working days. Okay, there's no interview. And financial documents they accept is only three things. One is your fixed deposit, savings account, and education loan. Any these three criterias, if you have it, it's perfectly fine. There is no difficulty at all. No other documents are required for student visa, and the application is online. We do assist every student for the visa as well. Plus we also share our past students who are studying in UK, who are back in India, who are already over there. So we have all this connectivity, and advice would be able to support you in everything. If you all have any questions or queries, you can say. Also, I would like to inform you all that any student who wants any information, advisors there to always support you all. If you go on our website, the contact number is there. You can get, there are various universities participating in the month of October continuously from 5th of October. There is City, Leeds, Manchester Metropolitan, Sheffield Hallam, and many more. So if you go on the website, you will come to know. Secondly, you can always make a call. The counselors are there. If you are not able to visit our office also, every information would be shared by the counselor over the phone. So feel free to get in touch with us. As far as this any support or anything is there, we are there to help you all and guide you all in every manner. So feel free to get in touch with advice. And I would say, if you all have any queries, questions, yes, I can answer your queries if you have. No questions? Okay, no problem. So I would say thank you so much today. It was wonderful talking with everyone, and thank you once again. And be in touch with advice. We are there to help you, guide you, support you for everything. Thank you.